Right there. Alright, let's see what's in it. Oh wow. Nicely packaged. Alright, I need scissors. Don't want to cut anything in there. Alright. First we got the tools with the sticker. Looks like, yeah. We got the case with the limited edition puzzle graphic. We'll open that here in a second. Got that, we'll get that in a second here. And a crap ton of stickers. Look at all these stickers here. A ton of stickers.
That's a lot of stickers.
Red trucks I ordered. Pivot cups here. The washers and junk. A lot of stickers. Very cool. Alright, let's open this up. This is my custom Wheelware graphic deck I ordered. More stickers. So check it out. There we go. A Foamy J grip tape. Very, very nice. A lot more stickers. Look at that. Very cool.
Yeah, try to do it. Sweet.
Very, very nice. Came out looking pretty good. Okay, on to this bad boy. Okay, I need some. There we go. Okay, has the case. Look at that. Pop it open here. Wow. Okay, we got some more washers. We got. Wow, that is signed puzzle series, final run, M2, 2 of 12. Everslick. That's pretty awesome graphic right there. I love it. That's sweet. You know, more pivot cups and screws, hardware. Those. More stickers. Oh, sweet blue trucks. Awesome. Pair of yellow wheels. Tool.
And more stickers.
More stickers, of course. Those. Another sticker and sheet of Foamy J in here. And there we go. That's everything. That is awesome. Ton. That is awesome. Alright. Later.